Hello, today is 4th November 2017. I am Mohammad Imtiaz Ali, a civil engineer. I am innovative. Good wishes to you all. Today I am going to prove viral diseases are mythological concepts. What are the mythological conceptions of viral disease? Few dictionaries have given meaning of virus is living organism, microscopic organism, tiny organism or myth. Enzyme is a protein, is a myth. Antibodies are protein, is a myth. Viral culture test stands on myth. Enzyme is a substance produced by the living organisms, is a myth. Viral diseases of DNA, RNA tests are myth. Virus active, virus inactive are myth. HBsAg test is the part of virus and HBV DNA test is to detect entire virus, is a myth. Virus spreading diseases are myth. Virus migrate to spread diseases are myth. What are the real conceptions of viral diseases? Late Middle English, according to Late Middle English and Advanced 20th Century dictionaries, have given the meaning of virus is Latin word. Virus is a Latin word. Virus is a slimy liquid poison. Where is a real conception? If enzyme is a protein, protein is a nutrient. Nutrition is a strength for human body. Why viral disease test conducting to detect enzyme? Antibodies. If antibodies are protein, protein is a nutrient or nutrition is a strength for a human body. Why viral disease tests are conducted to detect antibodies? Viral culture test. Viral culture test conducted to detect living organism in the blood. Virus is not a living thing, not a living organism. Virus is a liquid poison, is a substance. Instead of viral culture test, if conducted viral analysis is better. Enzyme is a substance produced by the living organisms in the blood, is a myth. Growth of living organisms in the blood multiplies into millions, billions and trillions. Discharged, excretion in the blood. A substance discharged by the living organism in the blood is one real conception. Viral disease of DNA, RNA test stands on myth. For viral diseases, DNA test is the PCR test, polymerase chain reaction test, in which viral coregion is amplified and visualized. If conducted urine culture test to viral disease patients, there is a growth of living organisms found in the blood with required medicines to eradicate living organisms from the blood. Once living organisms eradicated from the blood and conducted DNA test again will get negative from positive, because DNA test conducted with microscope, visible things are not living things, not virus. Visible things are living things, bacteria. On eradication of living organisms from the blood, RNA test will get negative from positive. RNA test is the quantity measurement test in which counts virus or bacteria or any waste particles in the blood. RNA test will get negative because nothing to count in the blood. Living organisms eradicated. Virus is a liquid poison discharged by the living organism, cannot migrate to spread diseases. Living organisms migrate to spread diseases. Living organisms migrate to spread diseases. Virus is a liquid poison discharged by the living organisms, cannot migrate the spread viral disease. Cannot migrate to spread diseases. Virus is a active, inactive, is a mythological conception. According to doctors, if DNA test positive, virus is active. If DNA test is negative, virus is inactive. Virus is sleeping. Part of virus and entire virus is a myth. HBsAg test is the surface antigen test conducted to detect enzyme in the name of antigen. HBV DNA test is the PCR test, polymerase chain reaction test, in which viral coregion is amplified and visualized. How these tests are part of virus and entire virus? Come to the real concept of viral disease. Virus is a slimy liquid poison discharged by the living organisms in the blood. Antigen is a harmful substance poison discharged by the living organisms in the blood. In the name of virus or antigen, test conducted to detect enzyme. HIV test conducted by ELISA, enzyme linked immunosorbent antibody technique. HBsAg test conducted by alpha, enzyme linked fluorescent antibody technique. To detect sorbent antibody substance, HIV test conducted. To detect fluorescent antibody substance, HBsAg test conducted. To detect prostate antibody substance, prostate screening test conducted. To detect cancer antibody substance, cancer screening test conducted. Millions, billions, trillions of Klebsiella species living organisms discharge sorbent antibody substance in the blood is called as virus or poison. Millions and billions, trillions of equally living organisms discharge fluorescent antibody substance in the blood is called as antigen or virus or poison. Millions, billions and trillions of Enterococcus faecalis living organisms discharge prostate screening antigen in the blood called as prostate. Millions, billions, trillions of cancer cells that are themselves are living organisms, unicellular and multicellular living organisms. Cancer cells discharge cancer antibody substance in the blood is called cancer. In all cases of viral diseases, conduct urine culture test and eradicate millions, billions and trillions of living organisms from the blood with required antibiotic to get sensitive. Blood culture test also conducted but not in a practice. An eradication of living organisms from the viral diseases of DNA and RNA test will get negative. An eradication of living organism from the patients, viral diseases of DNA and RNA test will get negative from positive. Main disease tests are HIV, HBsAg, prostate, cancer. HIV test, HBsAg, prostate screening test, cancer test called as virus test or antigen test called as poison in the blood. On eradication of living organisms from the blood, viral disease cannot migrate to spread diseases. To get HIV negative, HBsAg negative, prostate screening negative, cancer antibody substance negative, I have submitted viral disease treatment project on my website in the year 2011 www.viraldiseasesmyth.atavist.com. In case of cancer, patients cancer cells growth in wounds, cyst, tumor, ulcer. Doctors must give treatment to wound, cyst, tumor, ulcer for the patients, cancer patients. Inshallah, I will explain the treatment to get virus negative in next episode.